Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a glowing text with shadow effect in CapCut. So first, just add your clips and then go to text. Then just write your text in here. Okay. And then change the font to the one you like. For example, I want to add this this text like this font. Then go to style and change the font to the one you want. I'm going to go with red, and after that go to the glow, choose the first one, and here choose the same color as the text, and then adjust the intensity to 4 and range 20. Then go to shadow, choose the same color as the text, and adjust the opacity to 10, then the blur 20. And after that you are done. This will be the final result. If you want to make it more glowing, you can just adjust the glow again. In the style, you can adjust the intensity and also the range. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.